Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate an image on Google Sites. You can see that there's the option to rotate an image that you have already added on your site. But if you want to rotate an image, then you have to delete the existing photo or image that you have added on your site. Then you just need to add that rotated image. Now let me show you how you can rotate that image. For example, I have just downloaded an image that I want to rotate, so I want to add this. So for suppose you have add a image and you have that image on your file manager. So if you want to rotate it, then you can use the default gallery of Windows. You can find that in Windows 10 and 11 also. So you will find that rotate option or the edit option on that gallery. So you can just click on this icon to rotate that image. So here you can see I have just rotated that image. Now I can just delete that, and I can add or use that rotated image. So for that you just need to tap or click on this image and click on upload, and here you can see the arrow icon, and here you can see it is the rotated icon here. So I'm going to add this icon here just like this. So I'm going to add this here, and yeah, just like this you can just use that rotated image. So you can just use your rotated image on your Google sites. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.